this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're connected to the Wi-Fi but you don't have any internet. So in order to fix this, the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Wi-Fi symbol here, and we're simply going to turn off our Wi-Fi. Now you need to wait 5 seconds and then we can re-enable it like so, and sometimes just by toggling this on and off, sometimes this can fix the issue alone. If that doesn't work for you, then what you'll need to do is head over to the Apple logo in the top left hand side, click on System Preferences, and then from here select Network. Now from this Network tab, make sure location is set to automatic, then click on Wi-Fi from the left hand side, make sure the status of Wi-Fi is on, and then you need to come down to Network Name, and from here you need to select your Wi-Fi. So mine's this VM1781, that's the one I'm going to select, and once you've selected this, you can see now for me it's automatically connected. Make sure you do have automatically join this network turned on, then head over to the Advanced tab, head over to DNS from this menu, and if you have any DNS servers listed here, what you need to do is click on it like so, and then we're just going to remove it by pressing this minus icon, and you want to make sure that you don't have anything inside of DNS servers. Once you've done that, what we're going to do is click on the plus icon, and then you're just going to type in 8.8.8.8 and hit enter, and then hit the plus icon again and type in 8.8.4.4 and hit enter, then press OK, click on the apply button to save your changes, and now if I close out of this window and head over to my Wi-Fi, that will have now fixed the issue where you're connected to a network but you're not getting any internet. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.